What's up, people? Welcome back to TaylorMade Kicks. We're back with another sneaker review. Shout out to all the sneakerheads, collectors, and all those who like fly kicks. Today, we're going to be doing not a sneaker review, but a boot review on the Nike Acg Goadome boots. It is boot season. It's still boot season, people. Check it out. These are the best boots out right now. Okay, people, like I said, the best boots out, the Nike Acg boots. They come in a simple orange and white Nike box. I'll show y'all the tag. The shoe tab reads Acg Goadome. I got these in a size 8 from Goat. The colorways black, black, blackity black, all black. Like I said, I got these off Goat. As for pricing, if you get these from your local retailers, i.e. Foot Locker, DTLR, Snipes, anything like that, they probably run like $198 in men's sizes. But if you catch them like off season, maybe like now or before like fall, winter starts, you can get these for like $150. If you look on Goat, they might have your size and you can get them in a lower price. Okay, as for sizing, I say treat these like you do any other boot that you wear. When I buy Tim's or Nike boots, I normally go a half size down. So I normally wear an 8.5, but I'll go a half size down and get these in an 8. So y'all let me know in the chat and in the comments, do you prefer true to size in these, or I do go a half size down. Alright, as far as colorways, this is the most popular colorway right now. You might see all the kids on the East Coast, i.e. I'm in Philly. All the kids and all the younger people are wearing these currently. This is the wave now over Timberlands. So this is the all black pair of Nike Acg Goadome boots. Don't get these confused with the Goteras or any other Nike boot. As you can see on this one, the air bubble pockets are visible all the way around the bottom of the boot. That's how you can tell the difference between the Goadome and the other models. Now, like I was saying about colorways, this is probably my third pair of all black ones. I do have these, which is the all black with the bubblegum sole and the brown on top. As you can see, I had these for a couple years. They are sturdy. These are made with great leather, so they last for a long time. Colorways, I will only do, don't go crazy how y'all doing with the Timberlands with the all different colors. I will only do the all blacks, these, and they have a brown leather pair like this as well. That navy blue pair, get them out of here. I don't want to see any other colorways except for these, the brown ones, and the most popular all black ones. So let's check out the boot. It's a simple design, as you can see, straightforward. And the little Nike check right here on the side. Simple patterns of rubber outsole on the bottom, surrounded by the air bubble, and then on the midsole, it starts with the leather. I don't know what kind of leather this is, but this leather is for heavy duty wear and tear. So you can wear these through all kinds of rain, snow, mud, whatever, and it lasts a long time. So yeah, this is the wave if you need something that's going to be durable and stand the test of time. So yeah, this leather goes all the way up. Then you have like a rubber around the ankle and the back sole in the back of your foot. And on the tongue, it just has a Nike sign and it says Air. On the bottom, you'll see it say ACG and all track. As you can see, the traction pads go throughout the bottom, so your footing is cool in all types of weather. Well, like I said, yeah, this is the best and most comfortable boot out. I know we love our Timberlands. I know we love our Butters. I know we love the black Tims as well. But these are the best right now for comfort, durability, and or I'm going to just say long lasting. Yeah, it just is what it is, man. It just is what it is. These have been proven to, you know, stand the test of time over at Timbs. If you're going to for a stylish look, check out my Timberland vs ACG boot video. There should be a link in the description of this video, and you'll see the breakdown. Yeah, Timbs may be more stylish. The Butters are iconic and classic, and the better look if you're trying to be, you know, fly. But these are the wave if you're trying to get a bang for your buck and be comfortable. So like I said, this is the Nike Acg Goadome boots. That's what it is, people. If I say I had to rate this boot, I'm going to give this boot a 9 out of 10. I'm going to give this boot a 9 out of 10. Only thing that could be better on this boot is maybe a little better design. This is like a plain, you know, not much to a design, but that fits for what it's supposed to be. So I'll give these a 9 out of 10. Y'all let me know what y'all rate these in the comments. As far as wear, stash, or resell, this is definitely a wear for me. It's just a boot. You don't need to put these up. You don't need a stash, or, you know, they're reasonable to be able to find in your local store. So these are definitely a wear for me. Y'all let me know in the comments as well if y'all are wearing these or what boots y'all wearing. I don't want to see none of y'all in those UGG boots. I don't want to see y'all with no Crocs or no Kanye boots. If you're doing boots, it's strictly Timberland. It's strictly Nike Acg boots. All that other stuff, get it out of here. We ain't doing that. Well, I'll show y'all a quick on foot look. Like I said, these are very comfortable and durable. So you can wear these with jeans, sweatpants, even shorts. They go with anything. Yeah, it's a good fit, you know, nice bang for your buck. Like I said, the Nike Acg Goadome boots. Here's how they look on foot. But this is TaylorMade Kicks. Make sure y'all like and share the video. Say something in the comments. Hit the live bell notification so you can see every time we drop a video or go live. And we'll see y'all next time, people. It is what it is. Deuces.